जय शिल प्रभुपाद। हरे कृष्ण नाम प्रभु की जय। Welcome all of you for the 55th session of Soulful Japa series. Now you have all last 2 days been introduced to chant your rounds with a tasking delight between the two mantras. And we spent one session how that tasking delight and impulse, a delightful impulse to move the bead with delight. That one is over, next one I want. Something desirable is there, then you would want more and more of that. And the reason why it is desirable and all, we have discussed a lot, so that it has gone into your mind, you are convinced. Who is not convinced that, chanting the holy name is building up even one more in my life, is eternal benefit. My soul is happy if I can chant. Today I have chanted, let's say, 15 rounds. One more round, 16 rounds added to my life. 16 rounds, one more mantra. 16 rounds and one mantra. So that much valuable is for the devotee. Each chanting is. Because it's the Lord Himself. He has given us an opportunity to serve Him. And the name of the Lord chanted will never go in vain. And it is an eternal benefit. So who will not be? So it is very, whatever we are asking, we are to train, is very, very, very natural. So many different paradigms I gave. That Nama Prabhu is the infinitely important person whom you are welcoming and you are serving. One chanting, come hearing means one service. Again you got another opportunity. With enthusiasm you go on and on. The entire thing you're delightful. You're full of hope. Hope for what? Hope for Kripa of the Lord. Because when you're by hearing, you're touching the Lord. Hearing means something is coming inside. Doing delight. Doing means I'm delightful in doing something. Doing something means you're giving out something. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Relish means in taking in the Kripa of the Lord. Hearing is taking in the Kripa of the Lord. Whatever it may be, how much I can go, how much it goes in is immaterial. But I know when I'm hearing, something is going into my soul. So you relish receiving Kripa. Nama Prabhu's Kripa. So is it a small thing? Each bead of chanting and hearing? For this you should have faith that this Nama is Krishna Himself. More faith you have, more you can give delight, more you can relish. And more realization you have about very strong faith you have, automatically there is no question of, morose full chanting, ritualistic chanting. No, it will be only spiritful chanting. Spiritful chanting is different, ritualistic chanting is different. Spiritful chanting means spirit is there. I like to do it, delightfully do it. I like to relish hearing the name. It's not artificial, you have to know why. We have discussed enough. Why? It has to go into your subconscious mind. Okay? And then, in practical terms, when you actually go on with one bead after another bead, when you go on chanting, bead after bead, you see, somebody has asked a question, when I do this, you said 1720 times 28 drops of delight, micro delight you should give yesterday. I told somebody has asked a question, Prabhu, that will take so much time. No, it doesn't take time at all. To give a drop of feeling, it doesn't take time at all. For instance, now I'm talking to you, right? I'm doing. Doing is a talking, right? I'm also knowing that I'm talking because I'm hearing what I'm talking. At the same time, without disturbance, I'm relishing also, no? Talking. I'm relishing giving this knowledge, distributing this experience to all of you. I'm relishing it also. So relishing takes separate time or what? No, it doesn't take separate time. Similarly, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare. In between to give one relish, one more over. Does it take time? It doesn't take time. The feeling does not take time. Feeling overlaps with the doing. Please understand. Feeling overlaps with the doing. That is why I have many times I have told you that feeling never disturbs attention. Rather, feeling anchors attention. Feeling locks attention. When you eat a tasty meal, say prasadam, your attention is always there. I give you laddu. Whole life, how many times you have eaten laddu? Every day I give you laddu. Even though it's every day, same laddu I'm giving, you will taste it, you will give attention to it. Where there is taste, attention will be there. You cannot say, oh look, now every day I'm eating laddu, now I eat and laddu, now I'm just mechanically eating, I'm not tasting. No, you won't do. You will taste. Why? Because taste is there. In the same way, we need to understand what is the taste. There are different kinds of taste in the Nama. The understanding the value of Krishna consciousness. Value of one chanting come hearing. That means one concurrent chanting and hearing. The value of one chanting and hearing that very chant. In your mind, that value should be very high. Because it's a fact, there's nothing more valuable than that. Your whole day you ask what all you did, can anything value that? Cannot. If you have understood this Krishna consciousness philosophy, if you have understood that Krishna is descended on your tongue, if you have understood that he is the Surya of Satchidananda, if you have understood that he is come here just to flow mercy into us, then the value will be very high. If the value is very high, what is the consequence? You will not leave one nama also. Suppose somebody gives you a bundle of 2000 rupee note. That bundle is 100, supposed to contain 100. Right? Now, will you just accept it or you will count it? You will count it. 1, 2, 3. If one is missing, chalega. Approximately let me count. You don't do it. Why? You value it. If one note is less, it's 2000 rupee less, you will say, no, it was 1 rupee less. Arey, what is the problem here? 99% you got, no. 99% got, only 1%, one is missing, no. No, I want that. In the same way, each bead of concurrent chanting and hearing, no bead should go without concurrent chanting and hearing. No bead should go without mindful chanting. No bead between, I shall not move between one bead to another bead without feeding a sense of success into my brain. Mind and then the brain. Please understand, all these things form habit in the brain. Ultimately, heart is chanting, but the yantra also has to cooperate. To make the yantra cooperate, this sense of accomplishment is very, very critical. And sense of accomplishment, I told you, you don't have to give every day. 1 month you train yourself. Afterwards, between every bead you will feel delight, micro delight, one delight, going on. So these are all not necessarily. Just imagine, this itself is so tasty for the mind and the brain and the heart. It is so tasty. Divya chesta ruchi, kriya chesta and karya chesta, jnana chesta, kriya chesta and karya chesta. Karya chesta means tasking. Yesterday I told you karya means work. This is exactly what that my gardener did also. He took everything as a work. You see, that is where this I discovered this word tasking for counting. Because what does counting mean? Counting means you are achieving a task. 1 round, 16 rounds. That's the meaning of that. So it's tasking. So japa is not only chanting and hearing, but also tasking, uninterrupted repetition. Enough I have talked yesterday about purpose of uninterrupted repetition, because Krishna is very pleased if you give exclusive attention to him, not distracted here and there. So, this is a total game changer. If you learn how to give that impulse of a tasking delight, action with the tasking action with the feeling of delight, which is worth it. Nama Prabhu also will be very happy, no? Arey, my devotee is wanting more and more of me. Will it not make him more happy? Then thinking, okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, like this. Instead, it is Nama. Everything, chanting, whether it is chanting, whether it is hearing, or whether it is tasking, the focus is the Nama who is currently manifest before us. Never forget that. You should not divert into some process. No. Whatever we do in chanting, in training and finally also, let us say background feeling. Background feeling is in the background, but for whom? It is for the Nama in the foreground. Nama right, who is manifesting on my tongue, who is manifesting one after the other. All focus is only Nama, not on the process. Feeling, you are not focusing on feeling itself. Feeling for Nama. Delight, tasking delight for welcoming Nama. I want one more service. I want one more service. One more service. One service is equal to chanting come hearing. That you should understand. And japa is a repetition of that one unit chanting. So one unit seva is chanting and come hearing with that chesta ruchi. Unit doing. And activity is what? Unit of action is that. What is the activity? Like I told you, stringing the flowers, stringing the beads. This thread, you can say, this thread between these two is representing your delight, your tasking delight. So your chanting of unit and each unit of your japa is connected with delight. So it's a mala. You are not just like gardener did 108 separate pieces of stones. It's not like that. It's a mala. It's connected. And then I explained to you yesterday how the effect builds up. Like one brick on another brick on another brick on another brick. Uninterruptedly you should do it. Okay, now for this, now you are going to, last 2 days you are done. You add this to your, you add this background activity to the already training that is going on for the foreground mind. How do you actually add the background activity? Not during japa. If you have read and if you have made a determination, okay, I heard this thing about tasking. Now next 30 days I had to take tasking delight. You just tell yourself. Automatically within the weed it will happen. Because that is about giving a feeling. Whereas foreground activity is about doing, Jnana Chesta and Kriya Chesta. So now in your japa there are 3 things. Jnana Chesta, Kriya Chesta on each bead, plus between the bead you are giving your delight to enthusiasm, delight, relish, all these feelings which I have explained. They become one. That means you are excited. You're excited. If somebody comes and he does service to you in a very excited, anxious to do service. Prabhu, give me service. Prabhu, give me service. I won't do it. Then you finish it and Prabhu, give me service. You will be so happy. Somebody else comes, do this service. Oh, okay, Prabhu, I can't do it. Okay. Since you're telling, I'll do it. He'll go. Then afterwards again, he'll come. Probably he won't even come back. It's not like that. There's a difference in the mood in which we offer our japa to the Lord when the Lord has descended himself. This tasking, just like concurrent chanting come hearing is a secret, this tasking is a secret that our acharyas have given, and therefore they said that always do japa in a sankhya purvaka japa. Sankhya purvaka japa. Sankhya means what? Number. Build up number. I have to give 16 into 108 times seva to the Nama today. Nama seva should be Sankhya purvaka. Whatever it is. Fixed number, like Prabhupada said, minimum 16 rounds. Minimum 16 rounds. If you have understood concurrent chanting come hearing, if you have understood you have to task with tasking delight, your mindful japa is over, spiritful japa is over. It's as simple as that. You are already doing tasking, you are doing. If you are not doing tasking, you won't be able to finish one mala. Tasking impulse is there. That's why after one bead, automatically it goes to next bead. But it is, you are not giving the tasking delight. You have not fed your mind the reasons why you should be delighted, building up one bead after another bead. It is an eternal build up into your eternal account. That feeling, if you are not giving, are you entitled to take that when you already know that whatever I told yesterday, etc., about the value of this, the reason for delight, you already know about it, but why you are not taking delight is my question. So that is the difference. Now after I have presented this, you now already extra reasons also I put. IIP and all those things I have put. Most important, infinitely important person, the Supreme Personality of Godhead. Supreme Personality of Godhead, He is on my tongue. He is come for me. My God, you have come for me. So that feeling of delight. So delightfully do it. And there are a lot of benefits to this, even materially speaking. In our life, every day we want delight. In one way or the other, morning after we get up till night, different things they give delight in our mind. doing this, doing that, succeeding in that, succeeding in this. That success pleasure is fed into our brain. That is called fruitive pleasure. We all want fruits. We all want, put a goal, we want to achieve. This is fruitive mentality. Now, fruitive mentality is completely dovetailed in this japa. So look at the ingenuity of our acharyas. 1728 times your brain is experiencing this fruitive pleasure, but it has completely become divine. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. Happiness of achieving. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare. No thinking. Put that quote of Prabhupada. See here, one devotee, Malati Dasi, she asked Prabhupada, in the beginning we were curious about how to chant. What do you do when you chant? And what do you think? See, very right question has been asked to Srila Prabhupada. Prabhupada, what I should do when I chant? And what should I think when I chant? You ask Prabhupada these two questions. Of course, we already know the answer because we have heard so far what Prabhupada wants. Prabhupada said two things. What did he say? You don't do anything, you don't think anything. Look at that. You simply hear. Prabhupada is saying, you simply hear. Hearing is so important. You don't do anything else. You don't think anything else. Don't do anything else. Don't think anything else. That's what it means. You simply do chanting and hear. Hear, do chanting and hear. Don't do anything else. Don't think anything else. This is the secret which we are now trying to practice. So small difference between chanting come thinking japa and chanting come hearing japa. Chanting come thinking japa is simply a yantra japa. No spirit in it. No mind even in it. Chanting come hearing concurrently is mindful japa. Chanting come hearing delightfully, with hope, with relish, with hope, with excitement. I'm not saying you jump and get excited, but a micro excitement, micro pleasure. It's a peaceful, sattvic excitement. The sense of feeling that Lord is with me and I have been able to serve Him one more bead. I am able to please my spiritual master one more bead. Prabhupada has asked, what is it that pleases you most, Srila Prabhupada? Everybody thought book distribution or this thing or that thing and so many things. Prabhupada said, what pleases me most is when you chant Hare Krishna. Look at that. This is a real Acharya. Transcendental pleasure to the Lord. You take His holy name. That is most pleasing to me. So therefore we should feel that I am pleasing Prabhupada. That is another feeling you can get. I am pleasing. If you please a pure devotee, then Krishna is more pleased. Instead of thinking directly you are pleasing Nama Prabhu, you think that I am pleasing Prabhupada. Okay? Because what happens, you see, now you should not think that now when I am chanting Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram, Hare Hare, Lord is hearing my chanting and He is getting so much ananda, therefore He is pleased. No, 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 no. Our chanting is not like that. We are sadhakas. Then why our chanting is pleasing to Krishna? Our chanting is pleasing to Krishna because He is pleased for us. Oh, this is going to do good to him. Now he is associating with me. He is my child, he is going to come back to me. He's got onto the proper track now. Every day he is following Srila Prabhupada. So each bead when I am doing following instruction of Prabhupada, that is why Nama Prabhu is pleased. When Prabhupada is chanting bead after bead, Nama Prabhu is really happy. That very chanting is pleasing to Krishna. Is pleasing to Krishna. So now our chanting is also pleasing to Krishna to the extent it is soulful. To the extent it is soulful, it is directly pleasing to Krishna. It pleases Nama. Because Nama is right there. Nama is only receiving our seva, our chesta. So when it is soulful chesta, then when it transforms, see, first you give chesta and do, that is mindful chanting, come hearing. Next, little more is happy if you give spiritful. If you do spiritful japa, because you have added one more ingredient of delightfully wanting to chant more and more happily. Then you go soulful japa, is when you have faith in His presence. That means you feel His presence and you chant. A little more pleasing. Oh, He is remembering me. Faith means He is remembering. Even though He cannot see me, He cannot touch me. He is only touching the Shakti Avashanama. He is only uttering His name with His tongue. But He has faith that I am there. Therefore He is giving me all that feelings of respect. He is giving me that feeling of delight, etc. Can put that video. I'll show you a very interesting video which I had posted in Telegram, but many of you are new, so you should see how the mind works. How even, what is determination. Prabhupada said what? Don't do anything, don't think anything, do only chanting and hearing, and no only hearing. Correct? This is what Prabhupada has said. So the first part, don't do anything, don't think anything, is called Vikalpa. You need determination, a mind slice to keep aside all these things, which you automatically, we have now, last 30 days we have prepared that. By every time bringing it mind back, we have already created one barrier for this to go. That is Vikalpa. That means keep the negative forces away. And then put the energy on the positive energy on the where you have to put. Keep away negative forces and give positive forces. Keeping away negative forces is called Vikalpa, and this is Sankalpa. So we have Sankalpa to only chant and hear each Nama, chant, hear and task, and nothing else. Do nothing else, task nothing else. Like that we should be. That is Sankalpa. And Vikalpa, which we have already trained, is by training a mind slice that whenever it goes, it will bring back again Chesta into this Nama. So actually, is a combination, mindful japa is a combination of two mind slices that we have trained. One that keeps away. Whenever the mind goes away, fresh mind is put on chanting and hearing. This is the mind slice. So that determination, very nice. I like this video. I keep seeing it again and again. I relish that. It's so nice. Some things are like this. You go on seeing it. The meaning that it gives out is something so wonderful, especially when some animals are involved in it. Just see this now. See how this is a Malabar squirrel. It's eating a jackfruit. There's a monkey on the top. The monkey is trying to distract the squirrel. Look at that, how nicely there. Our mind is just like this, the monkey's mind. See, monkey's mind. Our soul is like this, like the squirrel, wants to eat Nama. Monkey, look at that, how it is pulling. Quite cute. And then find so many ways, and he's not giving up. Just see, now this monkey will come from another direction. He'll come from another direction. No, and again he's pinching the squirrel. Squirrel is not bothered. Now he's going back, coming around. Now he's finding another way. Directly attack. What is he doing? Look at that. He sits right on the jackfruit, looks at his face, and then he starts pushing shoving him out, pulling him out of. See, look at that. Now again, it won't give up. Catching its ears. See? Still the squirrel is not distracted. This is how our japa should be. We should have that determination, sankalpa. Why? Because jackfruit is tasty. If you taste, you will not leave. If you have karya siddhi rasa, if you have chesta ruchi, you will not leave. Okay. Anyway, this video is available in the Telegram module. You can enjoy it. You can distribute to others to explain how the mind works in taking our, how Maya works in taking away our mind from japa. So we'll have some questions today. Before that, we'll do our daily japa, and so a few things again. Today I have repeated about tasking. Why I am repeating is because repetition is required. After all, there are only 3 things. Why not I repeat? Chanting, come hearing. 3 things. Chanting, come hearing. Then this tasking is there. And Shraddha, faith. These 3 things make our japa. Already it completes the japa. Key faiths are those 3 faiths. Bring that up. This will also strengthen your tasking. Just to revise for you, key faiths. This is available in module 19. Krishna's name is a son of Satchidananda. You should actually feel that. What is a sun? My God, sun, how much light is there in the sun? You can imagine a son of Satchidananda. Please, these language are meant to communicate something. Surya of Satchidananda. And really, that Surya of Satchidananda is on my tongue. Oh, how can I believe all this? Because you cannot see Satchidananda. Suppose I say there is an invisible sun. There is an invisible sun ray. And that is right in front of you. You have to have faith. It's in front of you. Okay, but I cannot see. Whether you can see or not, the Surya of that thing is right before you. Similarly, Surya of Satchidananda. Satchit Ananda cannot be captured by material senses. Therefore, you cannot see. Similarly, Aprakrita Nama cannot be seen by transcendental senses. Neither the Lord or his transcendental energy surrounding him can be captured by material, spiritual energies can be captured by our material senses. Therefore, we are not seeing him, but the fact is that he is on my tongue. So, Krishna's name is a son of Satchidananda, radiating Satchidananda. energy. Sun is made up of light and heat, and the sun radiates light and heat, and cannot be heard or seen with material senses. Is adokshaja, is aprakrita. He exists in transcendental dimension. Even when he is on my tongue, he is in a transcendental dimension. You see, just coming into this material space doesn't mean he has to leave transcendental dimension. The Lord is always in transcendental dimension. He can be in the transcendental dimension and again be in our material space here. Okay. We are also transcendental. We are also transcendental and made of Satchidananda stuff, having Satchidananda body and senses, but are now covered by material body and senses. This is also a faith you need. Okay, I don't know now. I'm thinking I'm the body. Okay, at this stage. But the Shastras say, but I have faith that actually I am not this body. Okay, I will realize one day. But I am not this body. If I am a devotee, then I should have the faith that I am not this body. But I will realize one day, I am not this body. I am what? I am also Satchit Ananda. Mamayansa Jivaloke Jivabhuta Sanatana. I am part and parcel of God. I am divine. God is divine. I am divine. I am godly. My consciousness, my original consciousness is not all this. In my original consciousness, there is no fear. In my original consciousness, there is no insecurity. In my original consciousness, there is no lack of love. I am fully loved and I feel that love. In my original consciousness, I am full of love for Krishna. In my original consciousness, I am always anxiety and anxious to enjoy serving the Lord. That is Satchidananda. That is what my chitta, my consciousness is made up of. Satchitananda. I am a loving servant consciousness, not master consciousness. In my original consciousness, there is no exploitation attitude. In my original consciousness, there is no lording over anything. I have to control everything. That's not in my original consciousness. Krishna is the Ishvara. I am Prakriti. He is Purusha. He is the enjoyer. In my original consciousness, I don't seek happiness. I don't seek pleasure. Without seeking, I enjoy pleasure. I enjoy happiness. Can you believe that? That is original consciousness. Our original Ananda is like that. Without seeking, everything comes as prasadam from the Lord. Prasadam happiness, prasadam pleasure comes to us. And the devotee thinks this prasadam pleasure, prasadam happiness also, it should not disturb my service to the Lord. If that is so, I will not accept that. My goal is to please Krishna. The spiritual world, Krishna is always trying to please the devotee. Devotee is always trying to please Krishna. Nobody seeks pleasure for themselves in the spiritual world. Even Krishna. Krishna is always trying to give pleasure, even to Radharani, always trying to please his devotees. Krishna is anything to do, only one thing to do, to please his devotees. Devotees have anything to do? Nothing. They have nothing to do, only to please Krishna. We constitutionally belong to Krishna and as his eternal loving servant. These are all Shraddha that is required for a japa sadhaka. Krishna's transcendental names, forms, etc. are non-different from him. They are all aprakrita, they are all self-effulgent personalities, are the sons of Satchit Ananda potency. Krishna is incarnated now. Now is come into our external Nama Shabda. Lord has come into it. This is a very important Shraddha that is required. That's something which you cannot see with your eyes. Now, when I say chant Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare. When I chant, I don't see somebody coming into this vibration. I don't see. You need Shraddha. But he is there. Fact remains, he is there. Just like electricity, can you see a copper wire? A copper wire, dead copper wire, live copper wire will look similar. You cannot differentiate between these two. And yet the fact is that you will know, okay, there is electricity in it. Based on intelligence, you will know electricity in it. Similarly, based on intelligence from what the Shastra says, we know Kali Kale Nama Rupa Krishna Avatara, the electrified. This is not ordinary sound. This is omnipotent sound. Nam Nam Akari Bauda Nija Sarva Shakti. He's gone into this. Then Aprakrita Nama resembles external Nama Shabda and has spiritualized and empowered it to become Shakti Avasha Nama. So this Nama on my tongue, even though I have produced with my material tongue, and it is a material vibration, just like the external deity Vigraha is made up of the material elements, but it is omnipotent because the Lord comes inside and resides. Similarly, this Nama is omnipotent. The soul of Avatara is self-sounding, self-effulgent, self-willed Aprakrita Nama. Prabhu and his Shakti Avasha body is the identical sounding omnipotent Shabda. I'll explain this. See, now the Lord has incarnated. The sound that you produce has become his body for the time being, for our sake. Because I can hear and chant only the material sound. Therefore, the Lord enters that sound to give me association. So that it's like for that time being, that is his body, and the soul is always Aprakrita Nama, transcendental name, who is not different from Krishna. So Krishna's incarnation means Krishna is there, plus whatever the Shakti Avesha, if it is Archa Vigraha, it is external deity Vigraha. If it is Nama Avatara, it's external sound Vigraha. If he is like 5,000 years back when he came as he is, and the Virat Rupa took a form that will create that will give a drishya to non-devotees of his leelas. So, but the Lord is always full in his aspect even when he incarnates. When I reincarnate, I'm just a kshetrajna. I just know that is all. In the material world, I cannot do anything. I can only know. And everything is identified doing, identified seeing, just like in a movie. You're not in the movie, but you are identifying and interacting, if it's an interactive movie. That's how we are living in the material world. But when Krishna comes into this material world, for Krishna everything is spiritual. There's no question of knowing. He himself is personally doing, plus for the sake of our seeing, externally different, Atma Maya, the Yoga Maya arranges that kind of a seeing of his body even by material eyes. Otherwise, you cannot see with material eyes, Lord. You cannot see the Lord. He is Aprakrita. Then, together they become Nama Avatara. So, Nama Avatara means the Shakti Avasha Nama and the empowering Nama, who is the original Nama. Shakti Avasha Nama is potentially omnipotent and releases potencies of self-realization and God-realization. You need Shakti for self-realization. Self-realization and God-realization is about awakening. Awakening means you need transcendental knowledge. So with these faiths, you strengthen your delight, tasking delight. You get. So this is also available. I think I put it very close to that 28 module. You read this also. And some more are there, just like I said, it's so valuable that every Nama, not even one Nama you should let go without you eating it. What do you eat? With your attention, drinking it, okay, without you drinking. Don't leave any one Nama also without you drinking. You have to drink. It's too valuable. How can you live? I give you example. In 2000 rupee note, you won't leave one note. Why should you leave one out of 108? Huh? These are all kind of, perceptions and feelings that you develop, automatically these things will happen. Huh? You don't have to use willpower for all these things. Then, if you do uninterruptedly holding on each Nama, tell me, what does it ultimately mean? Ultimately, this converts into Namasmaranam. Without break, you're remembering the Nama. Attention on whom? On Nama. And if you have to hold on to that attention, you know it is Krishna. So when you practice like this, tasking, chanting come hearing with delightful chanting, that means mindful chanting and spiritful chanting will lead slowly to Namasmarana. And of course, on complete soulful japa, on more soul energies interact, or exchange of feeling is there with the Nama Prabhu. That is total Namasmarana. Shravanam, Kirtanam, Smaranam. You go into Smaranam. So this is then and you should also have faith that this, when I touch the Nama, it is going to purify our mind. My consciousness will not be the same thing after a few years of this kind of chanting. My consciousness will transform into blissful consciousness. My desires will change. My desires will be for desires for pleasing. All now, presently I have all stupid desires. Maintaining this body and mind is not a stupid desire. That will still be there. But there are so many other stupid desires we create. And finally, we are hoping that one day when my heart is purified, I'll be my spiritual mind and spiritual tongue, when it touches the Nama, when it chants the Aprakrita Nama, at that time I will feel I want 1,000,000 tongues and 1,000,000 ears to taste. That tasty is the Nama Prabhu who is on my tongue even now. But I am unable to taste. Even now that is the same super tasty, infinitely tasteful Nama is on my tongue. But I am unable to. Just like a rubber gloves, you are touching a heater, hot plate. You know right there, hot plate is there. But you cannot feel. That separation one will start feeling, and that I will explain later on. I think I already explained something about that in one of the earlier modules. When you feel that separation, that intensity, then it's a very powerful, very rapid purification happen of our mind and body. Okay. Anyway, ultimate goal is what? Ultimate goal is to realize who we are. Okay. Let's start our japa. Put it on. Please chant with tasking impulse, a delight between the beats.
The process is that you chant Hare Krishna and exactly the same sound you hear. Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare. You simply hear. When you say Hare Krishna, you try to hear the very sound. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare. You simply chant Hare Krishna and try to hear the sound, that's all. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare. When you chant, you must hear also. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare. While chanting, you must hear. Hare Krishna, you must give attention to hear. Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare. As soon as you chant Hare Krishna, you hear it, then your mind becomes locked up. Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram 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 Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram 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 Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Hare Hare
Okay, I take one question. Prabhu, I am following all your video sessions and modules, but it's so unfortunate thing that I am not able to understand what is concurrent, what is chanting come hearing. I read many feedbacks, it looks like it's very simple, but I am not getting the exact point. I am not feeling a positive energy in my chanting. Now tasking practice also started. I don't know how tasking will help me if I don't know what is chanting and hearing only. It has created a feeling in me that it's not my cup of tea and it will take me longer to get it. Video sessions are really wonderful, but I don't intend to demotivate anyone. Would you please advise something for it? As you rightly said, you are not understood this. What is concurrent chanting come hearing? I'll give you a very simple example which I have given earlier. Do you concurrently chew and taste? Yes. There are two things that is happening. One is your doing of chewing. It's a doing, right? Chewing is a doing. Let's say you put some almond in your mouth. You chew. That means you bite. After that only your tongue will taste. But it will taste. Whatever you are chewing, the tongue will taste. In the same way, whatever you are chanting, you will hear and taste. Taste, leave aside. Taste will come. If you chant and hear together, taste will come. The concurrent chanting come hearing itself will become tasteful doing. When you are walking from point A to B, you are doing and also you are knowing what you are doing. Yes or no? So, see, some of probably early sessions you were not there. I told you hearing is not a doing. Hearing is a knowing. So let us do one thing for next few days, chanting come knowing. Don't do chanting come hearing. Tell yourself chanting come knowing. Oh, only one thing I have to do. Yeah, only one thing you have to do. Other thing you have to know, that's all. Chanting come knowing. What do you have to know? You have to know the sound. To know the sound means what? Hearing the sound. Knowing is not a doing. Knowing, there's nothing to do to hear. You have to know to hear. Just like there's nothing to do when I see something. I simply have to know what I am seeing. When I chew some food, I have to know what is a taste. Taste cannot be, you cannot do a taste. You have to know a taste. Similarly, you cannot do a hearing. You have to know a hearing. So this itself may change. If chanting come hearing, then you can just get back to me. But you please ensure that you hear the early sessions where I am focusing on this. Okay, mostly it is around, you start reading from, hearing my sessions from session 21 onwards. That's where I give 20, 21, 22, something you have missed out in the beginning. Okay. Okay, today's questions. You write, synchronize our mind visualization on the movement of gross beats. How do I do that? I'm trying during japa. No, you're just seeing. No, when you mentalize, you're seeing your hand is moving from beat to beat. What is there? Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Somewhere in our mind's visualization also has to be there. No, so put that visualization on this. Your beads are moving one after the other. Tasking is effective, but find it difficult to practice with hearing golden quotes at intervals. Tasking locks attention for long, but when you pause to hear golden quote, it kind of breaks. Please advise. What works for you, you please do. If you're already done for 3 weeks of golden quote tape, audio from Prabhupada, you can stop that. You can just put normal Prabhupada's chanting and then let the tasking go on. Okay? So case to case, in your case, that is if you're able to do chanting come hearing effectively 80%, chanting come hearing, concurrent, then you stop the other one and now start, practicing the tasking delight between the beats. It seems impossible to build up concentration bead after bead, even determined. Can you please explain what actual causes the change of thought? It's karma, time, getting unfolding. It seems simple. You have to see, like a child, you have to do what is being told. Because what you have to do is very simple. No, direct instruction is there from Prabhupada. At least mindful chanting is so direct. You do. I have given in the experience in the module 28 when you began, not on module 28, 38, where I have explained about the practice session. I have told you should be. It should be like a mood of a child. Please become less complicated. Just be like a child, obedient like a child. And Prabhupada's chanting is just about 15-20 beats. And that again he's giving us instruction. Again, so can you not follow Prabhupada's instruction for 15 beats at a time? That much determination is not there. I don't want to do 108 and all. I want to do 15. Again he will tell something. Again I will follow till he tells. So almost like a child, we should learn how to practice, how to teach your mind. I want to say the same thing to the previous question also. Somebody who is not relishing this chanting come hearing. See, if something is given, if you don't do exactly what is told, if you don't get the result, you cannot blame the process. You have to follow. As far as mindful chanting is concerned, there is no question of failure. By Prabhupada's mercy, we have all jointly discovered that splicing technique for practice. While during this session, while we were discussing this evolved, this discovery was made. Initially I had given some printout and you sit with the printout and see printout now and then. Very clumsy method. Prabhupada and Krishna gave inspiration. Here it is. I myself will give the push. I am the one who has asked the whole world to chant Hare Krishna. Now I will teach everybody how to chant Hare Krishna. Every 15 beads I will come and give you a push. Train yourself. That means you have to be obedient to Prabhupada for 30 days, according to what those. If you are not ready for that, then nothing can be done. What is karma, time and all, kala and all? Nothing. Any kind of disturbance will throw away. Holy name is so powerful if you follow. If you don't follow, suppose I told you, okay, which is the way to walk towards the Himalayas? I say go north. You go out of the gate and you go on pursuing south directions. You will never reach. The problem is, not following. Similarly, many things are very simple. Simple does not mean it is easy. Simple does not mean it is easy. Once you get to the track, it's easy. But otherwise, very easy to go to the simple path. Your mind always complicates. When we sit for honoring prasadam, by default we'll be attentive to details and will also be eager to honor all items. How do we gain the same for Nama Prabhu and his details? That's what we are learning. There, when you're there, you're eating and details is tasting, eating and tasting. So slowly, when there is taste in the Nama, then you will see. Of course, this kind of taste, tongue ruchi. Similarly, there is a ear ruchi for Nama. That is advanced. But much before that Nama ruchi, you will get Chesta ruchi, Divya Karya and Kriya Chesta ruchi. You will get. This is what we are trying to introduce. Okay, which itself is very powerful, very tasty. As far as mind is concerned, it wants to do again and again. We'll continue tomorrow. Rest of the questions. So thank you very much. We'll meet again tomorrow. Jai Srila Prabhupada. Hare Krishna. Nama Prabhu ki Jai.